Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video it's going to be about my Lincoln. I finally got some subs installed. I got two 12-inch MTX audio Terminators with a 1600 watt Serwin Vega amp. I got the little bass knob down there, as you can see. I'll go and show you what the speakers look like real quick before I turn them on. There you go, two 12-inch MTX Terminators with a 1600 watt Serwin Vega amp. I'll go ahead and close the trunk so you guys can hear everything. The song that I have picked out for you guys is Diamondized Woman by Andy Yola. So check it out. How it sounds in the trunk. When the doors are closed, you really don't hear it at all. You can hear a little bit in the trunk. I hope that the camera's picking it up, but inside it sounds perfect. It's still got the stock radio, of course. Everything else in this car is completely stock except for that. In my opinion, it sounds pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. More upgrades coming to this car in the future. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.